Midshipman Alperes, Role 3. General definition. For the purpose of these rules, except where the context otherwise requires. A. The word vessels includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft and seaplanes, used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. B. The term power-driven vessels means any vessels propelled by machinery. C. The term sailing vessels means a vessels under sails provided that propelling machinery if fitted is not being used. D. The term vessels engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trowels, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability but does not include a vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. E. The word seaplanes includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. The term vessel not under command means a vessel which through some exceptional circumstance is unable to maneuver as required by this rule and it's therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessels. G. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which from the nature of her work is restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by this rule and if is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. The term vessel restricted in their ability to maneuver shall include but not limited to 1. A vessel engaged in laying, servicing, or picking up a navigation mark, submarine cable, or pipeline. Number 2. A vessel engaged in dredging, surveying, or underwater operation. Number 3. A vessel engaged in replenishment or transferring person, provision, or cargo while underway. Number 4. A vessel engaged in the launching or recovery of aircraft. 5. A vessel engaged in mini-clearance operation. Number 6. A vessel engaged in a towing operation such as severely restrict the following the towing vessel and her tow in their ability to deviate from their course. H. The term vessel constrained by her draught means a power-driven vessel which because of her draught in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water is severely restricted in the ability to deviate from the course she is following. I. The following underway means that a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or ground. Number 1. The word length and breadth of a vessel means her length overall and greatest breadth. 4. Vessels shall be deemed to be in sight of one another only when one can be observed visually from the other. Number 1. The term restricted visibility means any condition in which visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorm, sandstorm, or any other similar causes.